series production of the new ŠKODA ENYAQ Coupe IV has started at ŠKODA Auto's main plant in Mladá, Boleslav. Like the successful, all-electric ENYAQ IV, it is based on the Volkswagen Group's Modular Electrification Toolkit MEB. More than 120 units of the elegant coupe will be produced every day at the main plant alongside the ŠKODA ENYAQ IV, OCTAVIA and OCTAVIA IV model series. In future, 2,000 employees will be assembling more than 120 units of the ŠKODA ENYAQ Coupe IV a day on the same production line as the ENYAQ IV and OCTAVIA. The two ENYAQ IV variants are the only models based on the Volkswagen Group's Modular Electrification Toolkit, MEB, to roll off a European assembly line outside Germany. The emotive ŠKODA ENYAQ Coupe 4 combines sporty lines with generous space and offers a boot capacity of 570 liters. The panoramic glass roof, which comes as standard, is the largest in ŠKODA's portfolio and makes up the entire roof. At the same time, it is thinner than the full roof, giving passengers extra headroom. The drag coefficient has been improved over the ŠKODA ENYAQ IV. It stands at CD 0.234 and contributes to high efficiency of the ŠKODA ENYAQ Coupe IV. Depending on the configuration, the maximum range is up to 545 km in the WLTP cycle, making the ŠKODA ENYAQ Coupe IV particularly suitable for long journeys. As part of its next level, ŠKODA Strategy 2030, the carmaker is committed to electrifying its model portfolio. By 2030, it will have launched at least 3 more all-electric models below the ENYAQ IV in terms of size and price. The aim is to increase the ŠKODA brand's share of all-electric models sold in Europe to between 50 and 70% by 2030, depending on market developments. This is how the company aims to reduce its fleet emissions by more than 50% compared to 2020. At the same time, ŠKODA Auto is working to develop its home country, the Czech Republic, into an electromobility hub. E-components or e-vehicles are to be manufactured at all 3 Czech ŠKODA Auto sites in Mladá, Boleslav, Vácení and Vrclavy by 2030 to safeguard jobs and create new ones.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.